71. What must investors keep in mind regarding Ethereum? (72) What is Ethereum 2 or Ethereum 2.0? (73) When will Ethereum 2 or Ethereum 2.0 be launched? (74) How many phases are expected in Ethereum 2? (75) How is Ethereum 2 different to the older version of Ethereum? (76) Why is Ethereum being upgraded to Ethereum 2? (77) What are validators on Ethereum 2? (78) What does beacon chain mean in Ethereum 2? (79) What is a shard in Ethereum 2? (80) What is Serenity in Ethereum 2?